अस्मद्गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्रीशैले सदयापात्रं दीभक्त्यादिगुणार्णवं यतीन्द्रप्रवणं वन्दे रम्यजामातरं मुनिं लक्ष्मीनाथसमारम्भां नादयामुनमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्परां यो नित्यमच्युतपदाम्बुजयुग्मरुक्मा व्यामोहतस्तरितराणि तृणाय मेने अस्मद्गुरोर्भगवतोऽस्य दयैकसिन्धोः रामानुजस्य चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये। मातापिता युवतयस्तनया विभूतिः सर्वं यदेव नियमेन मदन्वयानाम् आद्यस्य न कुलपतेर्बहुलाभिरामं श्रीमत्तदङ्घ्रियुगलं प्रणमामि मूर्ध्ना भूतं सरस्य महदाह्वयपट्टनाद श्रीभक्तिसारकुलशेखरयोगिवाहान् भक्ताङ्घ्रिरेण परकालयतेन्द्रमिश्रान् श्रीमत्पराङ्कुशमुनिं प्रणतोऽस्मि नित्यम्। ॐ अस्मद्गुरुभ्यो नमः। यं प्रव्रजन्तम् अनुपेतवेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातराजुहाव उत्रे तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि। श्रीशुकब्रह्मणे नमः। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। हरिः ओम्। Thank you all so much for joining. So there is no recap of last session. It's going to be directly quiz today, as you are all aware of it. So Pranav, you got a question?
So Prabhuji, I have a small question. Did you when creating it, did you create it by hosting it or did you create by challenging?
What? don't ask me the difficult questions, Pranav. I have to ask you a question. Not you. You're not asking question to me. Okay?
Can you just tell me the pin one more time?
What is the pin today? 1 second. It's 4421. You there?
Yeah, I got it. I know I'm entering through iPad, so because it will be easy for me.
4421 297.
1 second. Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Shall we start?
No, Prabhuji. So when you click, you're creating the game. It's going to ask whether a challenge or host. So what did you pick? Because it depends.
I am host.
If you're host, you need to screenshot Prabhuji. Honestly, the questions. If it's a challenge, anybody can do it at any time. So like it's like that. If you're host, then you have to screenshot Prabhuji, or else we can't see the questions. You will have the questions, and we will only have the color answer. So and in your screen we will see the 4 answers. So we should see which color it is and pick it in here.
Okay, so if I say start as a host, will that not work?
If you're hosting the game, yeah. But if you do the challenge one, I will. It is helpful.
So Srimad Bhagavatam Canto 5 quiz. Get ready. Yeah, there should 4 answers, macha. Oh, can I also choose?
Yes, you can also choose.
Okay, no problem.
No, Prabhuji, you cannot choose.
Only 3 answers. There should 4 answers.
Somebody didn't answer then.
Wait, everybody has to answer. What is show media means? What? No.
It will show you who answered and who did not answer, Prabhuji. You can click next and then you can see the media. Then click next, Prabhuji. Yeah, next. And yeah. Oh,
Jaganesh Prabhu, where are you, Prabhu? Jaganesh Prabhu, you haven't answered the question, Prabhuji.
Please don't show this all the time. This is first question, okay? But don't show this all the time.
Okay, come on, next. Who is the son of Nabhi? Okay, show media. Next,
No.
What happened to Jagan Prabhu? Jagan Prabhu, you are able to understand this, the process? Mataji, Komati Mataji. Mataji, you are on mute.
Yes.
Prabhuji, we couldn't see the questions, and if we click, nothing is happening, Prabhuji.
How come?
I don't know, Prabhuji. First question we have answered, Prabhuji, but it is not coming.
How
It
come,
says
Prabhuji?
zero.
Are you using the mobile only, no?
No, Prabhuji. It's a laptop.
Only
Even
some
laptop
shapes
also.
came from last time.
What, Prabhuji?
Only shapes come.
Only some shapes came like last time, right? Mataji was showing.
Okay. No, but Prabhuji,
Prabhuji, Jai Ganesh Prabhu, in on the laptop, where the class is going on, so that
The question was
How many
question is here.
Sushba have? 91. Oh, 100 sensor.
Prabhuji is still not able to answer. Prabhuji, what's the problem, Prabhuji? Prabhuji, we need to fix this. Jagan Prabhu, you're on mute. Jagan Prabhu. Still not happening for you that you are not unable to press it? Prabhuji, you're on mute.
just.
Okay, then let's continue.
Yes, Prabhuji. Next you try to.
What is the name of first son of Rishabha? Wow, 4 answers. Very good. Very good.
About to be son. Now teaching. God, the insurance is especially devotees.
Wow. Very nice. Next question. Whose ways of teaching are wrongly misunderstood by a king and new religious ways are formed? Ahatta by King Arhan. So whose ways of teaching?
For a time question of
Oh, time.
30 seconds, Mataji.
Oh, we should
The
be
kingdom
quicker then.
Ajnaba, which is named after King Nabi, got the name changed to Bharatavarsha after which kings ruled? All answer. Good. Very good. Which form of Lord Sriman Narayana did King Bharata worshipped?
Game on the game on that.
Okay. Next question. Which animal did Bharata got attached to?
Deal. Deal.
Mata, you have to go on mute. You are telling the answers out. Very nice. When Bharata born again as human, to which Rishi's son is he born as? Wow. Good, good. To which deity was Bharata taken for Bali offering? Okay. Can we see who answered correctly or not? What is this? I don't want this. Sai on fire. Why did Bhadrakali kill everyone except Bharata? Nice. Who is the king?
The options are funny, Prabhuji. Time is running out. Answers. Answers. Rahu Gana. Right answer. Sujita, on fire now. Whom did King Rahugana going to meet? One more answer. Somebody has to answer. Time up. Right. Good answers. Kapil Maharshi. King Rahugana said, "You are not following your master's command," to Bharata. Who is the actual master for Bharata? Perfect. Rahugana, I am not afraid of Vayu, Agni, Surya, Kubera or Astras, but I am afraid of. Good. Who is the real enemy as per Bharata's teaching? What is the only way to get moksha as per Bharata's instruction? Good. Why do Jiva enter into samsara, material creation? Very good. True or false?
I do more punya to acquire moksha. Correct. As per Devatas, which place is the best to be born to achieve moksha? Good. I worship Lord Srimanarayana to gain material wealth. How many lokas are there below earth? Who is the Radhasarathi of Lord Surya? Time's up. Time is running up. Come on, quickly. Good, Aruna. Pick the odd one out. Again, pick the odd one out. Which is the golden mountain? Which is the topmost loka in the universe? Where are the hellish planets? Narakalokas. How many types of hellish planets are there? How does the constellations look like? Where is Pitruloka? Okay, the Narakalokas, if you Pitrulaka, if you remember, they were by the side of just above the uh, Narakalokas, the Pitrulaka, I mean Pitrulakas. How many tasks do we have? How much time it will take for the sun to do a complete cycle for all the 12 rasis? What shape is the universe? What is the wheel name of Lord Surya's chariot? Time. Good. What are attached to the wheel of time? Time. Where does Bali Chakravarti living? Five seconds. Time. Who is guarding Bali Maharaj kingdom? How many protection layers does the universe have? Which river came down from the boundaries of when Vamana hit the uppermost crest of the universe? Who is the author of Srimad Bhagavatam? Which kind of Purana is Srimad Bhagavatam? Five seconds. Whom did Kapila Maharshi taught first? Who is the guru of Dhruva? Nice. Perfect. Last question. The amazing question. Whom did Varaha kill? Very good. Number 3, Sujita. Number 1. Hey, see the smiling face of Sai. Sai is number 1. Well done, Sai. Well done, everybody. So nice. So how do I get get out of this now? Skip animation. Yes, I don't want to skip animation.
Prabhuji,
Huh.
Prabhuji, why did you not include the Mahakali football? How many hits did she do that? Prabhuji, you only asked you only asked like why did she kill everybody and who did they stand to do the bully in front of?
Correct. I would have put that, but it was like too notorious if I give that in that question. So I thought let me make it simple. I really get that in my head when I'm writing this questions for you. But very well done. It was really good that you all guys played very nicely. So the first prize goes to Sai and Alekia together. And so Sai and Alekia, because you won the prize, you have to give a party. That's how we do it, isn't it? You you won the prize and you give a party. Second is Pranav. Pranav, you also have to give a party because you won the second prize. So we'll come to Germany and you have to give us a party. Third prize.
Yes.
Sujita, because
Sujita aunty.
you won third prize, you have to give party to me after this class.
See, your party and my party is not different. So you have to give party to everybody.
I am the organizer. What can I do?
Then
So
Yeah, you're the organizer and also you're the party bearer. So
Then I will come to you too, Prabhuji.
more than welcome. Everybody can come to my homes. No, not a problem. We are Sai and Alek are trying to come and meet from for the past 1 year. So nothing happened. And
hopefully we'll all
you
get
should have got
vaccinations.
your technical problem. So next quiz will be after our Canto 6. So we are now in 5th Canto. We finished it. So well done. You all did very nicely. Some of the questions are very tricky. I know that it will be difficult for some of the questions, but very well done. Thank you for participating in this. Was it useful in terms of getting the question answers? Just to recollect everything what we have done so far. What do you guys think? Is it useful to have these quizzes, or is it too complex and complicated?
No, Prabhuji, I think it's useful and I like it.
Good.
And I wanted to tell something that I didn't know even a single question. I'm just telling it because when he's preparing, I was not even there beside him. He was upstairs and I'm downstairs. So I'm like, I don't even know a single question.
You are not the first one. You are third. So don't worry.
Yeah, but still I'm telling it.
That's good. I understand. But you are only third. So if you get first, then they might think that something has happened.
Yeah, like I think 2-3 times I did it. I know the answer and I wanted to put it first, so I put wrong options.
which is very common of you, Sujita. So don't worry about it. So 50 questions okay, or should we increase this to more questions?
No, make an immediate obligation, Prabhuji.
Mataji, what you're saying something?
Prabhuji, we need still more time to read the question, Prabhuji. We are in a hurry, swapping from one screen to another screen. Without even reading the question, we are just clicking, Prabhuji, because my Prabhuji is saying, "Oh, time."
No, I think I felt like you need to read you were reading the question because you're sharing the screen. Sometimes this internet is slow. I don't know why. By the time I get the options and then the time is like already running out. So maybe next time also when you answered the questions once just read the answer also because we couldn't see it. It was like a spark. It just went away sometimes.
Okay, so let's do that. Next time when we're doing it, I'll increase the
Yeah.
amount of time also so that it will be easy for us.
Uh,
Currently, I have put
okay.
30 seconds or sometimes 20, sometimes 30 seconds, depending upon the answer length. But I really felt that it was too quick. I also felt that. So I'll change it to a minute from next time onwards.
Yes,
Yeah,
Prabhuji.
and read the like, tell the correct answer at the end. I think that will be good.
Yeah, so yeah, that's what I thought. So, that's a good one. So after we answer the questions, then we will talk about the answer. So that gives us some time for us to talk about the question. So next time I'll put 1 minute for all of us to uh, talk on that. So it's a good one. So I'll pick it up. So any questions on these questions? But very well done. Very well done. So yeah, from next session we'll be starting our canto number 6. It will be again back to our pastimes of Lord Supreme Lord. No more astronomy, no more sun, no more planets. It will be more of again pastimes, pure pastimes, nectarian pastimes. Good. So that's all I should say. Thank you. Sujita, you're saying
Yeah,
something.
why don't you tell about Babu Prabhu's baby? You can
Correct.
just tell. You can just
Yes.
tell.
Babu Prabhu, Raj Prabhu, who is not here, they were blessed with a baby boy a week ago. He didn't come today. It would be nice if he has come. But anyway, so he was blessed with a baby boy. Mother and baby both are doing good. We still haven't paid a visit yet, but we have seen a few photos and I spoke to him. So both are doing good. Parents are there to help them currently. So, and they are recovering nicely. Mata is also recovering nicely. Baby is also very of good weight. Uh, Everything is nice. It's just that he's too hectic now that he couldn't get any sleep as of now. That's what he said to me when I called him. Yeah. He just messaged me. Just messaged me. He's saying, "Sorry, I won't be attending the class for a few weeks." Good. Anyway, so thank you guys so much. I'll see you again on Friday. So we'll be starting our Canto 6, and yeah. So have a nice evening. I'll do the Mangala Slokas, and then we can depart and meet again on Friday. स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महिमहिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः सोमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु ओम अस्मद्गुरुभ्यो नमः. Thank you all so much. Jai Shivnarayana.